Hello everyone, Kyu-san is back. Are you ready to complete our character art? Let's start to add materials on the Define watercolor work. Of course, with Clip Studio Paint. Open your work in Clip Studio Paint. For me, this is the character composition and the custom materials I made in the previous video. If you didn't watch that part, you can find all of the links in the description. Let's start adding the first pattern. Go to the Kimono Girl, create a new layer, go to Tool, G-Pen, Flower Kimono, and add your flower pattern on the dress. Delete the outside parts, go into Tool, Eraser, Hard. Then, create a new layer setting the blending mode to multiply. Clip to the layer below and add shadows on the pattern. For the hobby, go to Tool, Figure, Straight Line, and add a simple line decoration. To decorate the hair, use the custom brush Handmade Daisy. Use the Scale Rotate transformation to adapt the flower on the hair. Finished! Repeat the same process with the next one. Create a new layer, go to Tool, Brush, Rose Lace Brush, and add your lace on the dress. To adapt it better, go to Menu, Edit, Transformation, Mesh Transformation, and move points around their shape to deform the pattern. If you need more, go into the number of horizontal vertical lattice points and increase the value as you need. Click OK. Delete the offset parts. Then, create a new layer, setting the blending mode to lighten. Click at layer below, go into Tool, G-Pen, and with a darker yellow, change the line color. To fill the empty parts, go to the tool, Airbrush, Spray or Droplet. With the same color, add more lace texture on the dress. Repeat the same step using the Laced Ribbon custom brush. Go to Tool with the Cloth Roses brush and the Lace brush and add decorations on the hair and dress. Use the mesh transformation again to adapt the lace following the hair shape. Then, create a new layer with the blend mode set to lighter, and color the dark line from black to dark yellow. With the same process and tools, add the lattice details on the fur figure, the grapefruit clip on the hair, and the compass rose on the outfit, To make the scenes, go to Tool, Decorations, Roulette Line, Dashed Line, and draw your line following the skirt shape. And finally, the golden button on the skirt using the golden button custom brush. Use the transformation tool to adapt them on the outfit. Finished! To enrich the final result, I added some flowers in the background using the same method. If it can help, I made a written tutorial where I suggest some tips and tricks to make simple backgrounds using materials resources. I leave you the link in bio. What do you think? Now our nameless blonde girls seem so happy to have a clear idea of herself. I hope this video will be helpful to enrich your character art and illustration with Clip Studio Paint. Don't forget to share your works and exercises with us. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!